video. So, how do you feel now that it's your birthday?
Hello! Thank you very much for this blessed day. I'm very happy. I'm deeply touched with all my friends here in Shijiazhuang. Dito kami, on the way kami, papunta sa bahay. May simpleng salo-salo at na-meet ko ang kapamilya ko dito.
Okay.
Dito kami sa taxi, napakainit, nakakapagod at nakakagutom na. At ang saya-saya ko kasi kompleto ang pamilya.
Yun ang importante, diba?
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
Mamaya uli.
Okay. At ito yung driver natin.
Mr. Wang, look at the...
Oh, thank you.
So, thank you daw.
That's for my...
Birthday.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So make a wish for...
It's so hard.
He
Can't
cannot.
understand.
Okay.
Come here, the teacher.
Teacher,